Okay, so let's see this one, which is internal to paper. We will be solving section A, data cleaning, in this video. So let's see first question, which is in Bayes theorem, P of A when B is equal to, we know it's a direct formula, that is P of B when A into P of A whole divided by P of B, right? This is the Bayes theorem normal. Let me write the bracket. This is whole divided by P of B. This is the Bayes theorem formula. The next question is the 68, 95, 99.7 rule describes the probability mass of the dash distribution. So we know that these are the confidence level of a normal or a Gaussian distribution. So the answer would be normal distribution. Yeah, uh, you can say Gaussian. Okay. Then the third one is the matrix that measures uncertainty gained when replacing distribution A with B is called Kullback-Leibler divergence. Kullback-Leibler divergence. Basically, it measures the uncertainty gained or lost or the divergence value when probability distribution A is replaced with probability distribution B. Fourth is ridge regression using an L dash penalty while lasso using an L dash penalty. So we know that ridge and lasso regression are regularization techniques used for methods which do overfitting, or it is used to add penalties to the cost function. So we know that ridge regression uses L2 penalty while lasso uses L1 penalty. Let me write here. It uses a L2 and lasso uses L1, which is mod 1, right? Now, a model that performs well on training data but fails on unseen data suffers from, we know that that's in machine learning term, it is called as overfitting. In logistic regression, coefficients are estimated using the dash likelihood function. We know that in logistic regression, we coefficients are estimated using a maximum likelihood function, right? This will be the answer. Let me adjust it. Yeah, maximum likelihood function. The hyperplane in SVM that maximizes distance between classes is called maximal margin hyperplane. Because in support vector machine, we maximize the margin that we generate a hyperplane between the two classes and maximize the margin, that distance, right? So it is called as maximal. Let me write it here for better understanding. Maximal, right? Now, in eighth question, in clustering, k-means minimizes the within cluster sum of squares. So in k-means clustering, we try to minimize the sum of squares. Answer would be squares. Next one, in PCA, the first principal component captures the maximum possible data dash. So we know that in principal component analysis, which is dimensionality reduction using feature extraction, we try to maximize the variance, the data variance, so that it increases the model prediction ability and it reduces the number of features, right? So we try to maximize the data variance. So answer would be the variance. Variance. CNN are particularly effective for dash data, while RNN are suited for dash data. CNN, which is convolutional neural network, are suitable for image data, while recurrent neural network are suited for sequential data. Let me write here image for CNN for image and sequential data is for RNN. In TensorFlow, the structure representing operation and dependency is called a computational graph. Because in TensorFlow, we generally represent all operation with the help of graphs, and operations are represented using the node. So everything in TensorFlow is just a graph, and we generate those computational graph and execute it. Right? Hadoop's fault-tolerant distributed storage system is called. So we know that Hadoop uses a HDFS, which is Hadoop Distributed File System, in which it provides high throughput access and fault-tolerant systems. So the answer would be HDFS. A SQL query combining rows from multiple tables based on related column uses the join clause. We know that Based if I want to join multiple table based on a related column, answer would be join clause. The Python collection that ensured only unique element is called a very easy set data structure. Bootstrapping is a resampling method that sample with replacement. That is also very easy. So these are answer of section A. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you.